Hello everyone, I am Abanti Chakraborty. I am one of the students of APT Academy. I have completed my 2 years masters in English under the guidance of Ambarish Upadhyay sir, who has been a great inspiration for all of us. And today APT Academy has completed its 2 years. So I am congratulating to sir and all the faculty members of this academy and giving my best wishes to all the students of this academy. So today on this special event, I want to dedicate a song for all of you. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে, যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ও ভাগা কেউ কথা না কয়, যদি সব